Hey guys, so it has been almost 2 years since I began rewriting my game engine, the Untold Engine. And while development has been slow, it has been steady. So in this video, I want to share with you the current status of the Untold Engine. For those who are unaware, what is the Untold Engine? The Untold Engine is a 3D game engine for macOS and iOS devices, which I started developing way back in 2013. The original version used C++, and it was based on an object-oriented approach. Now, fast forward, and the Untold Engine has transitioned to an entity component system architecture, NECS architecture, with its primary language being Swift and Metal, and I think it works a lot cooler than what I used to have, so I'm very happy with that. Now, as of right now, what does the Untold Engine support? Well, it has a rendering system, it has a physics system, it has an animation system, and it has support for physically based rendering. Although the rewrite is not complete, the Untold Engine has reached a stage where you are able to create simple games. One significant improvement in the new Untold Engine, and I really wanted to work on this so much, is providing better documentation. If you go to my GitHub repo, you're gonna see that I have put a lot of effort, writing a good README page. I want you guys to be able to, pick up the game engine, install it without any hassle, and be able to play around with the API, and understand it. Again, right, hoping that it won't cause you too much headache, because my goal is basically to provide or to create a game engine that is super simple to use and very robust. So what is next? What are my plans for 2025? Obviously, I want to continue developing the game engine and improve it. But my main goals are basically on creating simple tutorials for you to follow, and also improve the documentation. That's a big one. I'm going to state that again. And number 2 is providing more unit tests into the engine. That is something that I didn't do the first version of the engine, and believe me, it was a really bad idea. So I learned my lesson, and that's why I'm very focused on providing unit tests for every feature that I add. Now, if you want to use the game engine, where do you get it? Well, if you go to www.untoldengine.com, that will take you to my GitHub repo, and you will be able to download the engine from there. I have also uploaded some YouTube videos, which hopefully can help you get started with the game engine. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed the game engine. Let me know if you have any issues, and if you have any, feel free to go to our issues page in our repo and just mention that you have issues installing the engine, or having issues using any of the system that the engine provides. All right, guys, thank you so much, and I see you next time.